Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So, today is one of my favorite movies. It's Sweet 16. We have day 16 of the Advent Calendar series, and I am so excited because I know it's going to be all the magic. So I cannot believe it, y'all. We only have 9 days left until Christmas. So that is only 9 more unboxings. My tradition, though, is to not do 25 days, but it's 26 days of Advent, just like the very first calendar I ever did, which they had a whole game that you could play and also a special gift on the 25th. So I am so interested because this year is the first year that they've actually given like a large gift for Christmas. It's usually like a gift card. So I am very intrigued to know what is in day 25. But we need to unbox today and all of the other days to get there. So I was rolling this all slow like because I was trying to see what kind of tool. I'm like, is this a brand new tool? What is it? But it's actually their Ultra Liner, which I am completely obsessed with this brush. This is not a limited edition baddie, y'all. You can head over to madameglam.com right now and grab yourself one of the most delicious brushes I have ever tried. First of all, these vegan bristles, y'all, they are so soft. Now, the most ideal way to clean this brush is with a little bit of base coat. I've even used top coat before. I try to limit how many times I use alcohol, but since this is a metal cap, I do use alcohol on occasion to clean it. You just have to be very careful because that can actually etch away at that beautiful gold coating. That is just so luxurious. So we're gonna do a demo, y'all, to show you just how amazing these brushes are. So I quickly ran over, I had to grab last year's stunning green. And this is from the Snowy Layover collection. And the color is Say Freeze, which I am so obsessed with. I also used one of the builder gels from last calendar, which is the Pearl White builder gel for the base of this design, just so I could show you how amazing this beautiful Ultra Liner brush is. First off, I am screaming that I'm even able to use that builder gel from last year. Like, their calendars always have these magnificent limited edition, baddies, I like to call them. But really, they're goodies. But what I think is really cool is that last year they gave a full-size product, which was their builder gel. And this year they've given a full-size product, which is rubber base. So if you're like me and you like to collect these calendars, over the years they have given us stuff to truly do. It's like a lab in a box. It literally gives you everything that you need so that you can open up your nail shop, your nail artist center, and you're good to go. Like, everything in this box, whether it is base coats for foundation, builder gels, rubber bases, tools such as brushes. They've even given cuticle oils. So I am so impressed with how much they're able to fit inside these boxes, y'all. I still can't get over how many full-size items that you get, and tools, and all of the minis. And I still think the fact that they've given us the brand new Cali lamp, you can literally travel with all these goodies. You can just grab, well, not everything. I mean, we would want to. But if you grabbed a few of the mini colors, for instance, the base coat, top coat, and your Cali lamp, even some foil gel and foil, you could do a holiday mani on the go with no problem. So I just think it truly brings everything you need to your fingertips. Now, as you saw, I used this Ultra Liner to pure perfection. You can do the teensiest, tiniest little details, and it's very good for all of your nail art, your character art needs. I love how between the marriage of Madam Glam's products, which level so amazing, and then using this Ultra Liner, you can truly map out your colors to perfection. Like I really like, I stand behind their products. I love them so much. And I think I'm extra passionate because it's one of the few companies I found that I can use without any fear of allergic reaction. Because, honey, they're giving us all of the vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, like free from just all of the nasties, you know, HEMA-free. You're not going to be having reactions with this polish, and I just love that. Now, of course, I can't say that no one will ever have a reaction, but especially for somebody that's as sensitive as I am, I'm just madly in love. So I cannot wait to see what's in store for day 17. Thank you for sticking around for this demo, and I cannot wait to see your beautiful self in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching.